Here's the inside construction, which y'all already know I am in love with because it comes with that big comb at the back, the adjustable straps, 3 combs at the front of the frontal, and of course my favorite, the elastic band that you do not have to sew on. But my ultimate favorite is the pre-plucked hairline and the bleaching of the knots, because y'all already know I'm one of them lazy stylists that like everything done. So yeah, here's a quick look at the wig straight out the box. Super pretty. Comes with that baby hair already laid, girl. Yes. All right, so in this video I'm gonna just show you how I melt this hairline, and this will also be my first time trying the stocking cap method. So yeah, let's see how this go, girl. So I'm starting off with this gel just to lay my hair down. Y'all see all them fuzzy hairs? These braids is old, y'all, don't judge me. So I'm just laying all my baby hairs down and everything to get it prepped. Then I'm just throwing on my wig cap, making sure like the brim of the cap is past my hairline. So I'm going back in with that same gel, and I'm just going to apply that to my hairline once again, but on top of the cap this time, so that cap can basically melt and mesh into my hairline. Then I'm just blow drying my little life away, and I'm also adding some freeze spray just to get it to hold a little more. Next, I had it under the dryer, aka the devil, and I let that gel and freeze spray dry up to get that cap stuck on my head. So here's how it's looking like. It's all dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut off that excess cap. And now I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. It was a little difficult for me. I was kind of surprised because the YouTube videos I watched just did not look like this. It looked perfect, and then I started seeing all these little rollies, and I was just like, okay, am I supposed to cut that, or am I supposed to, like, what do I do? So yeah, you definitely gonna have to do like a lot of cutting, and you definitely gonna see, like, you know, little rolled up spots, but that's all right. Just keep on cutting. Yeah, you gonna see stuff like that. So just keep on cutting until you get a semi like flush look, and then I'm going in with that gel once again and going downwards to get that cap sticking down. And this is where I really started to get amazed. I was like, okay, like this is how they beginning to look like, you know, it just like a scalp, you know what I'm saying? Like it just looked like it melted into my skin, like it was crazy. So yeah, that gel is definitely key after you cut that cap off. You know, getting down those rolled edges and just like, girl, look at that. I look like I got a bald head or something. So here I am blow drying my little life away once again, going back in with that same gel, and this time I'm going to apply it to my hairline. Well, like actually a little bit past my hairline, just to go ahead and put this wig on. So after I apply that gel to my hairline, went back in with my blow dryer to get it a little tacky or whatever, and then just to let it dry some more, I went on and started to cut my lace. Now this is one mistake I made, y'all. Just take note. One mistake I made. It's so much better to just cut the lace off while it's on your hair. So before you even begin anything, like before the stocking cap, before anything, I would definitely recommend just putting the wig on your head first and then cutting that lace off, because it's so important, like, to get that lace off around the ears. And I'll explain to y'all in my next video why that's so important. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But like I said, it's just so much easier to cut that lace off while it's on your head, so you can get it like perfectly to your hairline and perfectly around your ears. As for the bag, you want to make sure you cutting that lace entirely all the way off, or it's going to drive you nuts and drive you insanely crazy with that lace like itching the back of your neck. You do not want that. And as you can see, it does come with those little back baby hairs to try to make it look a little more natural back there. So this is how our gel is drying on our hairline. You want to touch it to see, you know, how tacky it is. Just kind of do your fingers like that just to see, you know, if it's like you need it to be. So it was not. So I proceeded to blow dry again, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use the kind in the yellow tube because I feel like this gives me a little more stick. But it's just pros and cons to this yellow tube, got to be, because it does leave like a white residue, which y'all will see a little bit later in this video. Y'all will also see in my next video with me, you know, giving y'all the real about this frontal life. But I proceeded to use this to give me a better hold, because I did want to wear this wig for a few days. So next step is the finale, almost the finale, just putting the wig on. So after I have my wig in place, I'm just taking this rat tail comb and just pressing that wig in, getting that to melt down. I probably should have let that gel dry a little bit more. It probably wouldn't have been as white as it was, but you know what? I rolled with the punches, and I'm going to show y'all how to get that off in a little bit. So that white stuff is not cute, so I'm taking a spray bottle and a towel, and I'm just dabbing at it. You know, look at that dab. Hey, no, just dabbing at it until it clears up a little bit, and it'll also clear up just from being dry. So you really just kind of got to be patient with it, even though you be like, oh my god, why is it white, why is it white? But it definitely does clear up over time. Moving back to the back, I'm gonna use the got to be glued again, and I'm just, you know, getting my kitchen together. So yeah, I'm adjusting my little straps, which was a little hard for me to do. I had to do it off camera, and then just putting that comb in and kind of rubbing it down so some of those hairs can kind of get stuck to the gel, and there you have it. So here's how that hairline is looking. As you can see, most of that gel did dry up. And now it's time for the really fun stuff. You already know, the baby hair. So I just cut my baby hairs with an eyebrow razor. And I found that laying hairs with mousse is just so much better than like gel, because once it dries, it's not like rock hard. It gives you like a nice natural looking, more flowy type of baby hair that don't look stuck and like just like, oh my god, I can't move. So yeah. So for the official meltdown, you want to go ahead and determine where you want your part to be and lay it down with water or mousse. I like to use mousse, and I just want mine going to the back. So I'm putting that in a ponytail using my wrap strips and laying it down, and I'm headed under the dryer. So to me, this is what melting down a frontal really is. Just basically getting it heated up and wrapped up just so everything is like meshed and melted together basically. So I sat under the dryer for a good 15 to 30 minutes. And several slays later, here she is, all meshed in, all melted down. Yes, girl, she finally made it. So here y'all can see what I was talking about with that mousse, like not prohibiting my baby hairs to my forehead. And then I just like to comb through the hair, playing it to get it really natural looking, tousle it or whatever, and voila, girl, she's all done. She's all girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a pony so y'all can see how it looks in a ponytail, and that is basically it. Like, yes, that's it. What's up? So yes, y'all see it, this voluminous, beautiful, lustrous wig. Okay, like I feeling myself is an understatement, girl. Y'all already know I be feeling myself with every hair BB wig, but this one just done brought out somebody I don't even know. Okay, like look, like for this video, like I said, I am in love with this wig. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram starting to pop or whatever. No, but follow me on Instagram, see everything like behind the scenes, you know, stuff like that. I will talk to y'all in my next video.